Hello and welcome to another Cloud Systems training video. In this video, we are going to cover adding a static connection to atmospherics. Static connection is the term used by atmospherics for the video and audio signal paths between two devices. The static connections that are configured in atmospherics model the real-world connections between devices. This enables the software to provide the user with an interface for video and audio routing in the device control area. Remember, you will need to have already added the devices to the atmospherics configuration before you can add the static connections. To add a static connection to the atmospherics configuration, once you have brought up the atmospherics administrator's interface, click on the Static Connections tab. Now click on the Add New Connection button. Select whether you want to add a video or an audio static connection. Now let's take a look at the four columns on the screen. First is the Source Device column. This area displays a list of the devices added in the atmospherics configuration that provide an output signal. Second is the Source Nodes column. Once you select a source device, this column populates with the outputs available on that device. Third is the Destination Device column. Here you see a list of the devices that can receive a signal as an input. And last is the Destination Nodes column. Once you select a destination device, this column populates with the inputs available on that device. To use as an example, I added two devices to my atmospherics configuration: a Denon media player for a source as it outputs a video signal, and a Panasonic display for a destination as it receives a video signal. Once I select the Denon in the source device column, the source nodes column lists the actual outputs that are available on the hardware device. When you are configuring atmospherics in a real-world environment, you select the actual output that you are using. I will simply select Composite Out for this example. Next, I select the Panasonic in the Destination Device column. And the Destination Nodes column then lists the available inputs. I will select RGB1. When you are finished, click Save. You have now added a new static connection. If you want to go back and edit the static connection, simply click on the Edit icon over on the right. If you want to delete a static connection, click on the Delete icon. Thank you for watching this video on how to add a static connection to atmospherics. I hope you have found it helpful. For more atmospherics training videos, lots of other information about atmospherics, or for contact information if you have questions, please visit the Cloud Systems website at www.cloudsystems.com.